Hi there, welcome back to Formester. In this video, we'll explore a powerful new feature called variables, which has been recently added to Formester. This feature will allow you to assign values to a text-based or numeric variable, which can then be used for advanced calculations or show an unique output based on your user's input. Whether you want your users to calculate discounts or show tailored messages to them or automate processes, this feature can make it happen. For this tutorial, I will create a custom code calculator to showcase this feature. This calculator will allow your customers to calculate a custom code based on their specific needs and inputs. By using variables in this form, you can show the custom code in the thank you page. So let's head over to Formester and start building this form. So once you've logged into your Formester account, click on the new form. And from here you can choose one of our free templates, or you can start a new one with the start from scratch button. For this tutorial, let's create a new one. And let's name this as custom code calculator. Let's hit save. So for this calculator, the idea is to show a custom code in the thank you page. So your users will select certain products and the quantity of the product and other details, and based on those fields, we will show a custom code in the thank you page. So let me add the necessary fields and I will get back to you. So I have added in few fields to complete this calculator. So the header is get a quote, and we have the product field, which is a single choice field, and we have three different products, product A, B and C, and we have a quantity section where they can enter in the quantity, which is a numeric value, and we have some additional requests, and if they select any of these additional requests, we can assign a certain price to that. And over here we have the calculation field, and here we can perform the calculation and show that calculation as a result in this thank you page. So thank you for reaching out, your code is, we can recall that calculation field and show it over here. So over here, let's rename this as quote. Okay, so let's rename this, and now let's start adding in the variables. So setting up variables in Formester is very simple and straightforward. Head over to the advanced tab, and under form control you will find this feature called variables. Click on it and this will bring up an UI where you can create your variables. Let's click on add new variable. So these variables can be a text or a number, and you can assign a value to them. The idea behind variables is to recall a preset value to perform calculations. So let's start creating the variables. For this calculator, we will create three variables for the prices of three different products and two more variables for the additional requests. So let's create those variables. For the products and their prices, let's start creating those variables. Let's call it as product A. Make sure there is no space, and this is a number, and let's say that product A's price is $100. Let's do the same for the remaining products. Let's call it product B, and the price is $200, and product C, the price is $300. Let's also add the variables for the additional requests. Let's call it as expedited delivery, and let's give a price of $5 and support as $2, and let's hit save, and the variables have been saved successfully. So I have created a new page where I will be listing down all the different calculations, and here I will be listing down nine calculation fields, each with unique formulas, so that and also set up conditional logic. So depending on the user's input, it will show up as the code in this section. So let me start adding in the formulas to these calculation fields. The formulas will be at product A times at the quantity and plus at the delivery or the support. So likewise, we have to create three calculation fields for each of the scenarios, and we can use the conditional logic to show the code in the right way. Let me. So I have created all the fields with all the different formulas. So for example, we have code A1, and the formula is product A times the quantity plus delivery. So here it has the support. And for code B1, here we have product B, quantity and delivery, and then we have the support, and then one option where they select none in additional requests. So similarly, I have done for product C as well, and I have created multiple thank you pages. So now let's go ahead and hide all these fields so it doesn't show up in the form. Okay, so now let's go and set up the conditional logic. So the idea is, based on their inputs, we will show this different code in a different thank you page. So let's say if uh, the product they select is equal to product A, and the additional request they select is equal to expediter delivery, then show a different thank you page, and we can select A1 as the thank you page. So similarly, we can fill in the rules for different scenarios, and I will get back to you once I fill that. So now I have added in all the different conditional logic. So let's hit save and save the form and hit publish. So let's head over to the form and test it out. So let's select product A, and let's see product. I select quantity as 3 and expedited delivery, and it's already giving me a number over here. And as you can see, the number shows up over here. So by using this variables feature, you can carry out quite a lot of advanced calculations, and you can also make sure that a certain outcome shows up when a certain condition is met. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial to be valuable, please like and share. If you want to provide any suggestions to us, please drop them in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.